This is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions, and we're going to take a quick look here at Rally, the mini polishers for composites. So we've got a nice little kit configuration here. These are intended to be single use. They're very inexpensive, disposable points. However, I would mention to you that depending on how much of the point that you use during the restoration, during the polishing, if there's still material left, these are fully autoclavable and you can reuse them. So even though we say disposable, you can reuse them if there's material left. Certainly, you know, if you've got a small occlusal filling class 1 that you've done, you know, it's not going to take much to polish that up, and by all means autoclave and reuse. Now we say mini polisher. This is more of a standard size polishing point here, and let me grab one of the Rally points here. You can see how much smaller that tip is. It allows it to get into all of the little anatomical features much more readily, and just gets in there where larger polishers just aren't going to be able to go. So the other great thing about having a single-use product, or if you do autoclave it once or twice, a very few uses on it, is when you get one of these out, it's always going to be the shape you want it. Instead of, you know, a more expensive, you know, $8, $9, $10 polishing point that you continue to use, and pretty soon it's all rounded and whatnot on there. These, every time you grab one, you're going to, whether it's the cups or the points, you're going to have the shape that you want. So just very convenient in that aspect. Now the product has, the blue is the more coarse, so if you've got a little bit of contouring that needs to be done yet, you can contour with the blue. Then it goes into a medium, and the gray is a high shine, diamond impregnated material, so does a great job on even the newest, hardest composites. So beautiful, beautiful high shine. I would show you that I'm going to type it on here today. However, my portable handpiece that I have is really, really loud. It doesn't do very good on a video like this. So again, coarse, medium, and high shine. Oftentimes on the posterior, you know, if it's just a little surface filling, you might just do a one-step polish on that. Take the medium, polish it up. You don't necessarily, because it's, you know, posterior in the mouth, it's not going to be seen. You know, you may not even need to take the step of going to the full high shine. But this product has been one we've had for, a few months now, and it has been quite popular, and it's even included in some of our compositite sectional matrix kits. So Rally from Garrison Dental Solutions.